What is going on, everybody? This is Internet Code, and today I will show you how you can download and install one free DAW for your computer. So without wasting any time, let's just get started. So link is in the description. Go ahead and click the link and it will lead you to this awesome website, Zanewave. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Anyways, so it's called Podium. It's free version, and they also have the full version. So if you're interested, you can always go ahead and buy that out too, but this is free. Okay, so we're gonna download, and it will download. It's just 15.6 megabytes. I haven't used that program earlier, so I'll give you a moment to download it. So after downloading, let us just locate the folder and install it. I'm gonna just put this on the desktop. I'm gonna just extract here. They have two setup in here. So one is for 32-bit, another one is for 64-bit. You can see there is 64-bit and that's 32-bit. I'm gonna install 64-bit. So I'm gonna click next and I will accept the terms. Next, I'm gonna just keep it that way, not gonna touch anything, just install it by default. Click install. So it has done installation. So let us just see. Here's the logo. Just click OK. Okay, so I have no clue what's going on here, so we should go to the help. I'll post the link in the description and you can probably get the idea on how things works. Podium guide, setting up tracks and whatnot. You have all the information provided by this website.